Hey guys, what's good? I'm Keith and I'm gonna show you how to get gum off your shoe using peanut butter. All you need is a damp sponge, some paper towels, and of course, peanut butter. Stepping in gum is really annoying, especially because it's so hard to get it off. Gum is actually hydrophobic, which basically means it doesn't dissolve in water. So all you need to do is put a big glob of peanut butter onto the gum, and be sure to cover all of it and leave it there for about 10 minutes. Then simply wipe it away with a damp sponge. There may be some peanut butter left on your shoe, so be sure to have those paper towels nearby. See, peanut butter contains lots of oils and fats, which are also hydrophobic. So basically, the hydrophobic materials in both the gum and the peanut butter find it easier to stick to each other rather than to the bottom of your shoe. You can also use this hack if you get gum on your clothes or even your hair. And that's the juice.